keep the train. Cute little building, kind of out of place and amongst all these monstrosities. Shopping in Cuba Street. Might check out the Fear Factory, an underwater adventure. There's always some good shopping to be had, something interesting to look at here on Cuba Street. Well, that was a bit of fun. Went through the Fear Factory maze. They have live actors tonight, jumping out of people. Right, back to Cuba Street. There's always something going on Cuba Street. Hey, Glenn here, Glenn's Adventures. Just hanging out in Kaikoura at the moment. On my way down to Christchurch, taking Freestyle Kings. Flight's going through. We've had a few rides on this weekend.
Probably wouldn't be able to find the place again. We're sitting there, she says to me, "It's a while since you've written any songs, isn't it?" Like quite accusingly, she said. So what? So this is what happened. Sometimes I'm a good husband. Sometimes I'm like a good book. Sometimes I just open up my mouth and my woman cuts me down with a look. 'Cause life's like that. Ups and downs never flat. Yeah, life's like that. My woman, before I was born, got a boy child coming. Gonna be a son of a gun. Gonna make pretty ones ride, jump, and shout. Well, gonna know what it's all about. Why I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. I'm your hoochie coochie man. Gonna mess with you. Gonna make you, girl, take me by the hand. We're gonna know I'm your Gucci, Gucci man. You know I'm here. Everybody knows I'm your Gucci, Gucci man. Everybody knows I'm here. The seventh hour of the seventh day of the seventh month. 7 age, you said. Said I bought for good luck. And can you tell? Got $700, baby. So you can just go get your own out here. Everybody knows out here.
Getting out by freaks.
Watch this right here. Watch game. This is where it gets good. Right there. Come on! Let's go! Oh, look at that quick trip to 360.
Oh! Did you see Lance Russell in the angle?
It's a dead backflip. What do you think? Keep that energy rolling!
Check it out on the big screen right now. Upright flip, upright tap out with a big underflip. Oh, they went deep too. Okay, I get ready to go big. Here we go. Light the torches.
Let's go!
Let's see that with the replay right here. Tap out and look at this! Oh man! Oh yeah! Let's see the replay. I love it. The youngest man on tour. I don't give a crap. I'm overweighting. Let's pump this kid up right here. Christchurch, make some noise! This just shows you how well trained the little man is. Bit of darkness doesn't matter. Bit of. I can smell donuts. Doubles up in a no-hander. Get out of here. I don't want it. Make some noise! Right now, it's called FMX Double Up. Two riders at the same time, different reps. Matching tricks right there, holy! I love this part of the show right here, JT, showing you all these guys just absolutely sending it side by side and just giving you a little taste of what these guys are going to actually see tonight. Yes, I've said it once, I've said it already. It's all about starting a show, and we've got so much involved in tonight's show. But it all does come down to the crowd. Two of the best that do it right there. Gigantic underflip, flip flips, whatever you want to call it. Pat, just rolling it back. Just the recliner style there. I love this stuff. Come on, let's keep that energy rolling for the boys right here, Christchurch. For Roy Davis to do a backflip! I said get nice and loud, make some noise for the boys! Oh! I don't know if he pulled a hand off right there or he tried. Give me a second, please. Yeah, give me a second. Make some noise for Rob Adelberg in second place. Third place right here, Callum Shaw. And then, of course, your winner by unanimous decision. Make some noise for Pat
Well, that was pretty cool. Freestyle Kings. Got me some merch. Now we're just playing Where Did I Park My Car? Other than that, it's the end of another day. It's the end of another long weekend for me. Catch you guys on the next one. Gonna go and check out the cafe, get something to eat, check out the Kiers. There's Kiers in the cafe. Trying to score themselves a free feed and probably go check out a waterfall while we're here as well. Come along and check it out.
here. But most of them sing.
I wonder how friendly they are.
Yes.
You said this is my bedroom, but
Go and pet it. Go and pet it.
what?
Go and
Do I
pet
want
it.
to pet it?
Yeah.
No.
You can bite it.
Okay, that's actually fun.
Pick their fingers off.
Just one of his photos taken.
Yeah, right by the sign.
Oh yeah, right in front of the picture. That's quite funny.
Yeah. A little bit rainy here at Arthur's Pass today. So we went up, had a look at the waterfall, checked out the kids at the cafe. Now I think it's probably time to go home. To be the end of another day.